So as discussed in our Zoom class, I will be recording this last part so you can see. So we added this 2mm. Oh, that's better. And the 2mm Swarovski pearl with Charlotte here. We attached it to these two demi round 11, and then went through the Miyuki 11 where this two beads is sitting on, and went back again to reinforce this position, and then go back from right to left through the Miyuki 15 here, and down through Charlotte and Miyuki 15. And here we add Miyuki 11 and go through the Miyuki 15, so your Miyuki 11 is between two Miyuki 15s that we were adding in this part, starting from the page. Let me go back. So we started adding those Miyuki 15s on page 35. So there are 4 Miyuki 15s on each, 2 on the front and 2 on the back. So these are the Miyuki 15s, the gold ones that were added from page 35. Now we added Miyuki 11, and the thread comes out of Miyuki 15, and now we need Charlotte 15, Charlotte 15, and beacon 3mm. And this goes through this top hex cut. Through threads, you cannot see it. Hold on. Here's the hex cut that sits on top of the peyote. Next one down. Pull gently but tight, and here we add the same, only different order, the opposite order. 3mm beacon, beacon, and Charlotte 15, and we go up on this side through the Miyuki 15. Pull tight, and here we add Miyuki 11 and attach it to this Miyuki 15. This is what you'll have. And now we go through the same beads again to reinforce the position. Go up through Charlotte and Miyuki 15, then down through Charlotte and Miyuki 15, then through the added Miyuki 11 and the Miyuki 15 next to it. Then down through Charlotte and 3mm bicon. Then through the hex cut 15 and back through the added bicon and Charlotte. Here go back through 15, Miyuki 15, Miyuki 11, and out of Miyuki 15, and back. Needle got stuck. And go through these beads again just to reinforce the position, because this is the end of it. As much as your needle allows. Back through here again. And here you can actually secure the thread. You can do a knot or not. I'm gonna just come out of 11 and cut it. And that is it. And that's done. Good job.